wacho emi chako kar kacha ni wan jok maluongore ne engineer gin medusa to ponono moko kuom gi maketho nying profession mose miluor kama
ni kirango gima osetimore Kenya. It calls Ministry of Education to recall back all certificates. Mondo gikwong ran to joma luongore engineers gi kata professionals. Negi qualify now.
Mano luongo certificates te.
Negi somo kanye. Yes, but you see what is wrong with that if you want to make a country. Nige jinge ni onge gimi luongo ne era igima ngato timo mongeyo. Iwinja. And you see now this one calls us even back. Nini titi je moko ma Sirkal okonego we in the counties. Nige jokine kana response team ma wado ni way. It's something that you can't live to sit on. Magi kumonego be jibe trained maka gima bila ni otimore to jolweny are on site. Wan go jolweny mo train ma relying in thika here. Mama ko retire mapoko de kitana tiyo gimoro. JSU should have JSU be ni jogo. But especially lweny called NYS. Magi are the first people monego be ni kwanga de kai. Inge gibro timo gino very professionally. The second thing, any gini nyisi ni police arambe house ma yuak na pelani. The minister in charge, samanga to get out ma quickly belani. Nyisi ni pesa ni ntie kamelu wake. And pesa may want to be justified or kwale it will not work mundu chung kamoro. You understand? The ministry should be able to follow tonga manya get out ni. And to go look kune pesa. Nike gimo be ibro nwango nike kira ngo chumbe ka. Maka chumbe mari nyalo wacho ni gin week. Ado gin chumbe ne oger gorofa. Makalo ta gorofa day. But where do we have the problem? The Ministry of Interior. Nike gin mo ne ogi kwangi non to ngamanye gino ni ena. Ngani odo pesa kanye. Iwinya. Ma nyogero mna gorofa. Kendo go gorofa masimo ko impact assessment or team a lot of things or team don't you approve gigi geninga kije ni kati city all kai tinu wangu ketinga nigi ne joma team approvals mosomo quantity survey but onge certificate man that profession iwinya ti system magedo dwaro ni as you pass each and every floor professionals comes to re-evaluate auto chugnadi kidimotigo chalnadi bendo nyal sustain pi water log makanyo chalnadi koth kokalo mang'eny ang'o miyo ute machon manoger chon at the pre-independence time kineno gima pokomuki pod otegno nyaka sani nikati ute mane wasungo gero tiende Tomboya Kichiko Central go and check that building, go and check National Archives. Karanyoja Kawata logo pungu Nairobi. Inene ko been interfered with. You see, let us just be having leaders who think. And that's why I'm saying, I may disagree with the president, but president I think is doing well. Kamuka Narobika. Ka okumi yere MCS mungi ejimatemo. Then we better just bring professionals. We can't have a city that is being run by cartels. Nuan wa yiri wagoni kura kenini waloki cartel mabende kwaloa. Then there's no need.
Ekinde magigi timre, Governor ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja osebedo ka golo paro. Kendo wach mowacho mogik karkacha no wacho ni prosecution powers gi moga ina ngayud pachi bende e weche mag chike Robert Kagacho Puiri. Chaka winj pachi bende kentie karkae. Owacho ni en ting mabende no ma county to mi national government. Ma pod wacho ni approvals mathoth. Karoko temo ndi moko nyadhi mokadh. Ainya kamentiere deponi endrembe ne mar county for approval kuso masikal mamalo
imate Kenya kai Kenya kai people think about the office other than thinking of how to give service. What does it pay the Shagwa ka or they consult their parent ministry moment that power to use it now? Me have done 1 2 3 Sakaja unmumi a problem iwinja unmumi a problem on how to deal with this matter. You see, and then Kotame, to go back, he can be able even to access the president. Ingen Gimaraj Kodwai Kenya Kai Cleo. And Sakaja was very good when he was a senator, Kanobilo nominated. And we thought that he's somebody in Nairobi Kai, he understands Nairobi. So we thought that he will do it. But Otame, the truth of the matter, not Tame. Kada second time, I don't know whether we should give him or not. Because to me, Sakaja the most afadhali kurukira songo paja negoja.
Aya. Ero kama. Ala mak paro no gikanyo kolo mugejwang. Morodhe ne count pa Kisumu, warwake to aka Esbon Odindo ka uturekoda kwa stream aroma Kisumu. Esbon Odindo